So you're stuck choosing between taking care of your lawn or garden and a back that doesn't hurt. Well, that's garbage. You shouldn't have to pick, and the good news is you don't. The problem isn't the yard work or the gardening. The problem is nobody ever taught you how to rake leaves or pull weeds without destroying your spine. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 movements that are wrecking your back and causing pain, and the simple fixes that'll let you garden and landscape as long as you want. Plus, I got a bonus tip for you at the end. This isn't about stretching more or doing endless exercises. It's about moving more efficiently. I'm Dr. Ryan Wolfert, and here's something that nobody really talks to you about. The activities that are supposed to be good for you, getting outside, staying active, working in your garden, mowing the lawn, these are the same activities that leave you feeling like you got 20 years older overnight. You spend Saturday morning in the garden, you feel fine when you're doing it, maybe a little tired, some soreness, but nothing too crazy. Then Sunday morning hits and you can barely move. Your lower back is screaming at you. That spot between your shoulder blades feels like someone stuck a knife in there. And you're thinking, am I done being able to do these things, the things that I want to do, like taking care of my lawn? No, but you need to fix how you're moving. Because here's what's actually happening. When you're bent over pulling weeds for 20 minutes or hunched over raking or twisted up trying to reach that corner of the garden bed, your spine is under constant stress. Not from doing or lifting something heavy, it's from being in a bad position for too long, and that's what's killing you. And you might be thinking, well, I'll just be more careful, or I'll just need to slow down, or whatever else someone told you, but that's not really close to the whole story. You need to understand 3 specific things you're doing wrong and exactly how to do them right. The first movement mistake is you're bending from your waist instead of your hips. Every time you bend forward to reach the ground, where's the movement typically coming from? For most people, it's their low back, they bend at the waist. You're basically folding and rounding your spine, and your back does not like that. So here's what you're going to do instead. You're going to bend at your knees and especially your hips, kind of like you're sitting back into a chair. Your back stays straight, keeping the natural curves in your spine as you push your hips back. To get farther to the ground, that's where you add more knee bend. You're lowering your whole body down, not just folding and rounding forward. This puts the work on the bigger muscles and joints of the hips and legs where it belongs instead of on your spine. The second movement mistake is you're staying in one position for too long, which I guess that's not a movement, but it's a position that you're staying in. So you get into a rhythm pulling weeds, and 15 minutes later, you finally stand up and realize you can't straighten all the way up. It's not a flexibility problem. That's your body telling you it wasn't designed to stay folded in half for that long. Okay, so here are the solutions for that. Get low differently, especially by kneeling. One knee down, both knees down on a cushion. You could even sit on a small stool. The key here is no matter what, keep your back straight. When you need to reach something, move your whole body closer to it instead of stretching and reaching. And here's a big one. You'll set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes. When it goes off, stand up, walk around, just move differently for a minute, get into different position, then get back to it. And the third movement mistake is you're overreaching and twisting too much. You know, that weed or that pile of leaves that's barely out of reach, instead of moving closer, you stretch for it, you twist, you lean. And when you do that, you're putting your spine in a vulnerable position. And you're doing it dozens and dozens of times without even thinking about it. So pretty simple, right? We just have to do it. Stop reaching, move closer. If you need to turn, move your feet and turn your entire body. Don't just twist from your waist. Use long-handled tools. They help so you don't have to bend as much in the first place. Plus, use a staggered stance and still bend and move from your hips so you're not moving from your back. Listen, I know you want to just enjoy your garden and get the yard work done. I know I want to do that too. So here's what I need you to hear. You're not too old for this. Your body isn't failing you. You just need to move a little differently. That's it. That's the difference between enjoying your garden and your lawn and being destroyed by it. So here's the bonus tip to get your spine ready before you even go out there. Just spend 3 to 5 minutes doing easy movements, maybe some arm circles, hip rotations, gentle twists. Get your body ready. And when you're done with the activity, do the same thing. Don't just go from kneeling in the dirt for a couple hours straight to sitting on the couch. So if you want to dig deeper into how your posture and movement patterns are affecting everything you do, not just gardening, but getting out of bed, playing with the grandkids, traveling, all of it, just click the first link below. You can schedule a posture and mobility assessment with me from anywhere in the world. I'll look at your specific posture and structure, your specific issues, and give you personalized recommendations that work for you. Not generic exercises, a real solution for your life, and then you can be your own guarantee for your health and your life.